like this is my home away from home. Anyways, I am by myself, so I am just waiting for my Uber. It says 3-minute pickup. I think the time of day kind of screwed me a little bit. It's 6:39 here in Orlando, and I feel like the Uber cost was just under $20, so it'll be over $50 with the tip. Typically, I don't pay that much, but again, it's just kind of a sucky landing time. But I'm super excited to be back, checking out the MCO carpet. If you know, you know. I am gonna go to Coronado Springs and meet up with my friend Jordan and hopefully get in a ride or two at Magic Kingdom tonight.
Fly to Miami, we can fly from Miami over here. We get in Miami. And the last minute, I called him, I said, you're getting all ready, you go to Boston.
Breakfast and hopefully get into Tiana's. Jordan got us a virtual queue and our boarding time has already passed, but we're gonna try our best to see if we can finagle our way onto the ride before we leave for the night and have a full park day tomorrow.
I hope they all come to the party to play, but let's explore a bit more. How's this? Our little friends below us doing big things.
Good morning. We are rope dropping at Hollywood Studios and going to attempt to ride Rock and Roller Coaster without a lightning lane or anything. So we'll see how long the wait time is, but it's early and we're about to get on the bus from our hotel, Coronado Springs. It's very foggy outside today, but the high today is gonna be like 85. So love that weather in February because back home it is very cold. But yeah, we're ready for an exciting day. I'm going to attempt to do maybe 3 out of the 4 parks, maybe 4 parks all in one day. We'll see how many we can fit in there, but definitely getting our steps in today. All right, we are on the bus on the way to Hollywood Studios, but we're gonna take a moment for our t-shirts. It says I cry at fireworks. Jordan's got hers on. We got them at the Wonder Studio, and we also brought a little bit of Tokyo Magic with us too. I have my Duffy bag, and Jordan has for Shelly May. Let's see what merch we could find today. I'm excited to get some new t-shirts or sweatshirts and have some fun. the fog. All right, it's 8:25 and we are rope dropping Rock and Roller Coaster. There is a little bit of a line ahead of us, but I'm curious to see how long it'll take us from the start of the queue to us riding it. So I'm gonna time it and see how long it takes. All right, starting the timer. See how long it takes.
Covers it. That's the business, and the fun's just ahead. Rock on.
Line 3.
Honestly fair.
Okay, folks, the show is all the way across town, but I got you a really fast car. Okay, wait, it's out here.
Made it to the front of the queue at 5 minutes and 39 seconds. All right, on and off, Rock and Roller Coaster at 12 minutes and 30 seconds. I say that's pretty good.
The time is now on an evening very much.
It's good. It's just like a pomegranate lemonade with like
Oh my gosh, that is so good. So good. Taste it. Ooh, I love it. Yeah,
I love the glass.
that's so sick. It's sweet, but not too sweet.
She has it. Maybe if she's nice, she'll let you try it.
The pretzel. Yeah, y'all can try it.
Batu bits are delicious. It's like veggie chips with really good salsa.
Have to try it. Yeah.
So good.
Is this? Oh, this is the group I've been waiting for. Yes, come in, come in. I have an opportunity for you all that is bad. Attentions. I was going to say, Providence, come closer, come closer. Very good. A few brand new crew members and a few returning for another mission. Excellent. You will be intercepting a first order train shipment of coaxium. Gunners, you clear the path. Pilots, line up behind the train. And engineers, you harpoon that precious cargo. Now get the move on and know that I have complete faith in you. But I am coming along with you just in case.
Bags off, seatbelts on.
For your safety, remain seated and supervised.
That was cool.
Here we go.
You got a friend in me.
When the road looks rough and miles and miles, but the nice then you just remember what you owe.
We are leaving Hollywood Studios and going on the Skyliner to head to Epcot. My I guess, my biggest ask this trip is to try the macaroon ice cream sandwiches in the France area. So we are gonna get on the Skyliner and head straight there and get a little treat. I'm not sure if we're gonna eat lunch there or not, but Park 1 is done for the day, and it is, let me see what time it is, 12:56, so almost 1 o'clock, and we basically did everything we wanted to at Hollywood Studios. So I would say successful morning and afternoon, and now we get to tackle another park. The flavor's good. The flavor's good, but the macaroon texture is not right. Like it's frozen. Like I wish it was like 2 fresh macaroons and then they put the ice cream in, but they froze the macaroons too. But the flavor's nice. It is absolutely nuts at Epcot today. It's hot. I think it's like 85 degrees and it is so busy. I think that there's a lot of cheerleading competitions going on at Wide World of Sports. So they are all here and we are literally just riding Guardians and then leaving to Magic Kingdom because it's like way too much. So let's see what song we get.
People of Epcot. Epcoters, Epcotians, citizens of Epcot. Does anyone know what they call themselves? What? Someone needs to tell me what I'm on. Welcome, Epcot Terrans. I am
It's a cosmic incident, and in just a few moments, we'll be activated, so you can experience for yourself. What's happening?
I'm not sure. Our power's out. And the cosmic generator's gone.
Cheerio, Monarch. Go to Code Red. Prepare the fleet. And call the Guardians. Now.
There is no cause for alarm. Turn off that alarm. I've got an important transmission coming in. Hey, what's up, number 4? Our cosmic generator has been stolen. What?
How?
What did we think of that? That thing's gotta be worth a fortune.
I am Groot.
Yeah, who do you think took it?
Perhaps that really big man outside your ship.
Well, that is a big man. I need to alert Nova Prime.
I've been watching Terrans for eons.
That's not crazy at all.
This species has failed.
Wait, whoa, we didn't even know there was a test.
He's got a cosmic generator. We created a new jump point.
Jump point to where?
Some kind of new jump point.
It's going back to the dawn of time.
Dawn of time, why?
To erase an error.
Well, that doesn't sound good.
Your time is over.
Wait, what do you mean? What do you mean it's already?
The jump point is closing.
Wait, no, you're not going to follow that whatever it is until we get there. We can't. Our power is down, and I've got to get these Terrans onto evacuation shuttles.
I got it. I rebooked the shuttles to follow through the jump point.
Wait, what?
Look, they're our only chance of keeping track of that whack job until we get the cosmic generator back. Piece of cake.
What?
Where's he? Where's the secret?
The odds are impossible,
Yeah.
but it's our only shot. Good luck.
Are you sure you can control it?
Come on, it's me. We got this.
We're all toast.
First it was king, now there's toast. This plan is making me so hungry.
Terrans, listen up. You need to make your way to the evacuation shuttles now.
Nothing to worry about.
Unless we cannot stop this unusually large man, then you're likely doomed.
Good luck. You're gonna need it. exist.
What have we done?
I think we're jumping back.
Was that the big bang? We have to contain, but not for long. Yeah, well, nobody's perfect.
Working coordinates for Echo. Remind me to raise our rate.
Of the galaxy. Drax, it's an honorary title. You're not coming with us. I see. It is meaningless.
Bye, Epcot. We are spending the ending of our day here at Magic Kingdom. We are gonna do Space Mountain, Buzz, Haunted, have dinner at Skipper, and we also have a firework party, which I'm super excited about. We are doing the after party, so we can get there at 5 o'clock, watch the show, and then have drinks and desserts afterwards. I am so excited about that. This is my first time doing a firework party. I can't wait to show you guys all the desserts and the good things that we are able to snack and eat. But I'm excited we get to end our day here at Magic Kingdom. It's my favorite park next to Animal Kingdom, and I'm just thankful to be out of Epcot because that was miserable. That was miserable. It was so hot. I know I'm gonna get so much hate from a lot of you Epcot fans, but there's no shade at that park. The lines for the drinks and the food were so long. It just was not enjoyable. Anyways, I'm gonna get off my soapbox and enjoy the rest of my time here at the most magical place on earth. Minor update, we were not able to eat at Skipper's, so we had to do mobile order at Pinocchio House, and I had chicken tenders again, but it's okay. I am obsessed with the gluten-free chicken tenders here at Pinocchio House. They also have them at Connections Cafe in Epcot. It's like my go-to kid meal that is just nostalgic, also yummy, and love it with barbecue sauce. But anyways, we had Pinocchio House, and we hung out there for a little bit. Our feet were tired. And then we walked over to Tomorrowland Terrace, and we checked in for our dessert party. So we're doing the after party. So essentially you walk to the podium, you get your wristband, you tell them if you have any allergies, which I don't eat gluten. They give you your wristband and you go to a special viewing area that is separate from the main part of the crowd, which if you've ever been to Happily Ever After, you know it can get really crowded, and this little area is the sweet spot. It's awesome. They have artificial turf, and as you can see, a really awesome view of the castle. So the fireworks show is going to start here in a little bit, and then we're going to make it back over to Tomorrowland Terrace and get our desserts and drinks. They have wine and beer and champagne and a ton of dessert options. And I was actually validated that I will have a separate plate for gluten-free desserts, which I'm really excited to see what those options are. In comparison, I did the same general party at Disney's California Adventures, the DCA, for my birthday last year. And I would say as a whole, Disneyland doesn't do really well with gluten-free food options. So I could argue that Disney World definitely has them beat with that. So I'm excited to see how much better the desserts are. But I don't know if I should have high expectations and then go and be disappointed. So I'm gonna try to just keep my expectations neutral and hope for the best, and keep you guys posted on what items I love and maybe some items that I don't care for. But either way, I'm excited to have a glass of wine and eat some dessert after we watch Happily Ever After.